Wait. Can you take this off?
I can't take the handcuffs off. We gotta go inside.
Everybody's gonna hate you, by the way. Do you know who I am?
I don't.
You've
told me your name is Karen.
No.
Let me help you up.
No, I did not. Oh God.
That's not
I'm lit.
Yes, you are lit.
Oh, can you?
That's why you're here.
Okay, so here's the tea. I don't even understand why Karen thought fighting this in court was going to result in anything different other than guilty. And get this, yesterday videos were released of when she was arrested. Got in a car crash. How her husband Ray, the Black Bill Gates, came over, interfered with the investigation.
I would rather.
Remember,
I
it
don't
is being
like
video,
her.
not a
Okay,
record.
so I'd rather
It's
her
okay.
not do a lot of talking at this point,
You
anyhow,
are.
because she's probably a little bit upset
Well,
after
I'm
the
sure.
thing. So she's.
Can I ask you where you're coming from tonight?
And she was drunk out of her mind, and now she's lost. Karen is going to prison for 2 years. I'm going to share some of those videos, and then we're going to read the TMZ article. A jury convicted Huger on 7 of 8 charges prosecutors brought against her, including driving under the influence, negligent driving, failing to control her vehicle's speed to avoid a collision, and failing to notify authorities of a change of address. Huger dodged a conviction on a reckless driving charge during her Montgomery County trial Wednesday, but she now faces up to 2 years in prison when a judge sentences her on January 29th. Her attorney, A. Scott Bolden, issued a statement telling TMZ, "Although we are disappointed in the jury's verdict, we of course respect their decision and appreciate their time hearing our case." Bolden added, "We continue to reserve Mrs. Huger's right to an appeal and intend to fully pursue justice on her behalf. We appreciate your support and prayers for Mrs. Huger and her family at this time." TMZ broke the original story. Huger was driving her 2017 Maserati in Potomac on March 19th when she struck a median and crosswalk sign at an intersection before colliding with a parking sign and coming to a halt just off the roadway. Police body cam footage played for the jury in court showed Huger being questioned in the aftermath of the car accident. At the time of the crash, Karen issued a statement to TMZ, saying she was driving in an emotional state after having dinner with a friend and discussing her beloved deceased mother. She said the conversation left her crying while trying to drive home, and she says she swerved to avoid a car coming directly at her.
I'm extremely intelligent. I am Thomas Justice's concubine. And I don't have the nation. Your point is what?
You don't necessarily need
What's
that.
your name?
My name's Kyle.
I'm Karen. Thank you. They call me the Grandon.
The Grandon?
I don't know what the fuck that's about. And they call me that. Go ahead.
So guys, we just read the TMZ articles. You guys saw Karen lost. I mean, what else? Given the videos that we just watched, right? Now, honestly, I don't think she's going to go to prison for 2 years. Likely, she's going to be given some community service, or at least that's what they're praying for. But as you heard, they're going to appeal this. They're going to lose the appeal as well. I don't think they're really going to appeal it, but anyway, I don't want Karen to go to prison because she's the life of Real Housewives of Potomac, and we definitely want her to be on the show, but that's a lesson learned. Anyway, guys, let's get this discussion popping in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until the next one.